Hello sisters and brothers, this is an introductory video of an organization completely made and supported by the youth of this generation. During January of 2012, the noble idea of doing something for the underprivileged came to Rohit Basu, the then final year BA student, while he was in a deep thought at his house. So he opened a Facebook group naming it A Little Contribution, since he believed everyone's little contribution will create an ocean of goodness for the poor and underprivileged. Hence, he put a tagline to the name as "Every drop counts." Immediately after creating the group, he added two like minds, Arindam Das, who is his college friend, similarly had an unique aim to take care of the old people and also the young ones, like the young children who remain stranded on the streets with no food to eat or clothes to wear, not even a shelter to live under, and to bring them together under a single shelter to allow the old people to mix with the young ones, creating a beautiful aura of positivity. And Akash Basu, his little brother, along with many others. Then he ran down to Akash, which he always did, with every burst of idea coming into his mind, and then they consulted on how similar their thoughts were, since Akash also dreamt of creating a big old age home for all the grandparents thrown out from their house by their own children. The younger brother started creating a logo for their new idea, spent the whole night and made this, which was later liked by one and all. The trio of goodness, Rohit, Arindam and Akash, had a effulgent session of brainstorming on how to go ahead on this. Then they came together to call upon a physical meet, calling all the young bloods of the city of Kolkata who were there in the group. During a relatively cold wintry evening, just before the new year, they called upon that meeting. As usual, many promised to come, but in the end, they ended up getting none and sitting alone at Dakshinapan, a market complex at Dhakuria, which has an open space to hang around and have good talk sessions. They were angry, frustrated, sad, but never lost the hope, because the zeal in them was very powerful. Hence, they went back and called upon for another meeting, and this time, to an amazement, 6 to 8 people showed up, and that is the point in the timeline of history where the organization started shaping up. As the very famous proverb says, old is gold. Similarly, during the first phase itself, we got a few gems who were interested to work with us with whatever they had and whatever they could do. Hence, their names are to be mentioned. They are Aritra Majumdar, Partha Saha, Moumita Mukherjee, Triloki Prasad and Doel Nondi. Wherever the organization goes in due course of time, whichever height it touches, it will never forget these names, because they had an unparalleled contribution towards the organization. As well, they were the founding pillars of this organization, along with the trio Rohit, Arindam and Akash. Please like us on Facebook. It's facebook.com/a little contribution, and please subscribe us on the button below. Thank you.